I will continue to honor him, and I'm going to pass my condolences to his family, and we will be talking to his family to see how best they would like to have everything arranged with regard to his burial.
I must say this is a huge loss for South Africa. A giant has fallen. Comrade Terra was not only a politician, but he was a leader. We are enjoying our freedom today because of the sacrifices that Comrade Terra have made in life.
The African National Congress has learned with sadness of the passing of Mr. Musiba Patrick Lekota, a former leader who served South Africa in various capacities during the pre- and post-democratic era. His passing marks the departure of a figure whose life intersected with important moments in the history of our country and the struggle for freedom.
Terra Lekota's role in the struggle is well documented. And I was happy when they formed the COPE, because they strengthened the opposition benches, and in realizing that this country doesn't need one-party dominance.
Mr. Lekota was part of a generation of leaders who sacrificed, endured, and stood firm in the fight against apartheid. His imprisonment in Robben Island, his leadership in the UDF, and his later service in the democratic government reflect a life committed to advancing freedom and justice for all South Africans.